Hey, it's me again, Phase North, here to present another video. But let me remind you that this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research before you buy or sell any coin. And having said that, thank you for your tips and your donations. And as always, you can send your tips and donations from your WebAuth Wallet to SUNSEEKER. And as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button. So if you do that now, click the subscribe button and the bell button, and then you get notified of any new up and coming videos. And having said that, let's get on with this video. Just having a quick look at the chart. XPR on the Meta Exchange. XPR has done very well. Nice little move. Just imagine where it's moved from. Let's see where it's moved from into. Come on. So far, 35% from the bottom. It's a good move. Let's see whether it's going to pump soon. There should be some good news coming out soon, hopefully, about XBTC holdings. They're purchasing a bank. So we should keep an eye out for that and see what's happening. But what I'm going to talk to you about today is a company called XDC. And the reason for that is a few months back, XDC was added to the Metal Exchange. At one point, you used to see it in Metal Exchange trading, and it was only there for a few days and then disappeared. And if you look in your wallet, you will see the coins you will see the coins XPR, you will see Metal, and you will see XMT, Loan. These are all coins that are owned by MetalX group. So, and you'll see that all the other coins have X's in front of them. That means that they're wrapped. So let's go and take a look at XDC. XDC. Success depends on your network. Discover a low-cost, fast and reliable blockchain built for everyone, a network of possibilities. It's got a very strange picture here. So she's holding her phone, her tablet, and she's pointing to the sun. If anybody knows what this picture means, put it in the comments so that I could understand it myself. But have a read of this. XDC network is an enterprise-grade open source blockchain protocol and EVM compatible chain with enforceable smart contracts. It is uniquely suited to revolutionize, decentralize, and liquefy the trade finance industry through the tokenization of real-world assets and financial instruments. So, recently, MetalX and Marshall Haina has Metal, or have created a Metal layer 1, if I'm correct, to connect to EVM EVM. This allows EVMs to be connected to the Metal blockchain. So they say it's Ethereum, but I have a feeling, this is just a little feeling, actually it's a big feeling, that what's really going to be connected to this EVM is a military graded security system blockchain. So here we go. The enterprise. The XDC network is a groundbreaking blockchain with an impressive speed, scalability, low fees, and military graded security. Using XDC network, businesses can improve their record keeping, exchange data, and transfer assets more efficiently and more securely. Now, I think what we really need to look at is this bit here, trade finance. Trade finance, there's only two companies that really does trade finance, and one is XRP and XDC. So the XDC network assets a benchmark for digitalizing trade finance by enabling the tokenization of diverse trade finance instruments as assets. I remember watching one of New Titan 888 videos, and when it said the train has already left the station. Maybe you guys should watch that video. I'll put that video in the link so you guys could watch it. So trade finance. So XDC plus trade finance. XDC has become recognized for its outstanding presence in the trade finance industry. The network is a trustless blockchain designed to deliver scalable, efficient, affordable, and accessible settlement rails for a variety of tokenized assets. And here's that word, settlement rails. Watch New Titan 888 video in the link, and you see about the rails. There's lots of rails, but this one's huge. So if you want to learn more, you can actually go ahead and learn more. And what is the trade finance gap? Let's have a look. As banks have well-established lending patterns with their clients, there are capital needs that go unmeted in the trade finance sector. The trade finance gap happens when there is more demand for the capital than there is for capital available. Those most affected by the gap are small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, particularly those in a development country. Those most affected by the gap are small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, particularly those in developing countries. Banks reject nearly 50% of a trade finance application from SMEs. Women-owned businesses faces additional challenges as well. Several factors contribute to these rejections, including SMEs' lack of collateral requirements, creditworthiness, and knowledge about trade finance. Other risk factors like political and currency risk also contribute to the trade finance gap. And one of the biggest challenges lies with the banks themselves, and their lack of resources to extend credit to and audit solvent and viable SMEs. That tells you a bit about the trade finance. Here is an interesting one. Advantages of XDC network-based trade finance. Blockchain offers many possibilities to improve global trade. The massive trade industry will gain from blockchain over time through such benefits as operational efficiencies created by digitalized bills of lading, supply chain automation, risk management solutions, new capital markets, and improved assets for SMEs. A particular area of focus that has already been built onto XDC's network. As banks have well-established lending patterns with their clients, there are capital's needs to go unomitted in the trade finance sector, rather than leaving available liquidity and trade cooperation to direct partners who will facilitate trades. Blockchain technology allows trade to be conducted directly over the internet and not through third parties. The trade finance gap materializes when capital demand exceeds the available capital. The gap represents the difference between the two, and it ballooned to 1.7 trillion US dollars in 2022. So just imagine that XDC now is doing huge trade finance across Metal Layer 1 on the Metal blockchain and across XPR network. That's going to be huge. So going back to metal exchange trading, XDC was on here, but it's not there no more. And I've had people asking, why can't we buy XDC on MetalX exchange? That I cannot answer because I don't work for the company. I'm not sponsored by the company. But there's something that I've noticed with the wrap coins and the not wrap coins. XRP is wrapped because it has an X in front of it. But if you look in your WebAuth wallet, you will see everything is wrapped. Everything has an X in front of it, apart from XDC and the MetalX coins. So, is there a reason for that? Is there a big reason for that, or was it a mistake? And tell me, what do you think? Trade finance is coming across onto XPR network. XPR network is going to be connected to all the banks, or Metal is going to be connected to all the banks, and Marshall Hena and Irina Berkan, who are the directors of FBBT Holding, are buying a bank. So what do you think? Where's XDC going to fit into this whole ecosystem? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comments. And as always, do your own research. And if you wish to tip me, you can do so by sending your donations to SUNSEEKER via your WebAuth wallet. And as always, click the subscribe button, build up the community, and be blessed. Bye.